Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. In this video, we are going to see batik printed sarees. All these sarees are priced between 1090 and it goes up to 1250. Let's get started. We have two different fabrics in batik prints to showcase in this video. One is linen cottons with batik prints. The other one is semi-bamboo silk with batik prints. All these are very lightweight with beautiful zari borders on either sides with different styles of batik prints in the body. Very classy and elegant casual wear in an affordable range. These were just few of the randomly picked samples to showcase in this video. Many more unique designs and colors have been uploaded in the website. Go ahead and shop for these lovely batik printed sarees at www.prashantisarees.com. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.